And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hey Sea Lions, welcome to this week's Sea Lion Splash. This week is all about celebrating the 40th anniversary of McGaw's very own Pageant of the Arts. Tickets have basically sold out. You might be able to get in to see the show either on Friday or Saturday night, but it's a long shot. Friends, the Pageant of the Arts is something that is very, very special and dear to McGaw. Parents contribute a ton of money to be able to put this on. Teachers contribute time and also their money too to put this on. And our students in 4th and 5th grade, they look forward to either narrating or doing some of the dances and also all of the artwork that is featured throughout the Pageant of the Arts. This is a special event and I'm excited to celebrate our 40th anniversary. Now friends, fun doesn't stop there. We have a lot more coming to you in this week's Sea Lion Splash.
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
Our first announcement is all about the 3rd annual Jog-A-Thon that happened last Friday. I was out there DJing while parents were surrounding our field and encouraging all of our students to run and donate for a great cause. Let's check out some of the highlights.
Welcome to Jog-A-Thon.
Thanks so much, Sea Lions and Sea Lion community, for all of your donations. As of Friday afternoon, we had raised over $52,000. That's an amazing thing, and I knew that we could beat our original goal of $40,000. Friends, here's the thing. We could keep that number going up because the Jog-A-Thon donations are still going this entire week. So friends, if you're that close to getting your Sea Lion plushie, or if you are hoping to get some of the other awesome prizes that are available to you, well, you have one more week to do it. So let's keep donating and let's keep talking about the great things happening at McGaw and support the Jog-A-Thon. 2 weeks ago, we learned the importance of calling someone by their name. Our names are very special to us and we want to be known for the good things that we bring to our community. So friends, make an effort to get to know the people around you and call them by their name. Last week, we got some help from Dr. Martin Luther King, who had a dream that everyone from all nations can come together in harmony and work together in a peaceful way. We have that same dream here at McGaw. We want people who have all these unique differences to be able to come together in a safe place where they feel like they can take a risk, try new things, learn new things, and also make new friends. This week, it's all about leadership. And true leaders are able to do the right thing when no one else is looking. Are you on the lunch tables messing around, being loud when our student supervision assistants are looking the other way? It's time to make a better choice. Are you out there playing basketball or out there on the far playground with a long distance away from somebody? It's time to make a better choice. Friends, at McGaw, we have a lot of wonderful, wonderful people. And I know that there are so many leaders out there who make great decisions every single day. I'm making a call out to you to be able to support someone when they are making a good decision. Go ahead and let them know, hey, I appreciate that you are making an attempt to be a better person today. Thank you so much. By doing this, our entire community will feel safer, will feel more welcome, and I think that we will be able to focus more in class and do some wonderful things, not only socially, but with our communication and our academics. So friends, it's time to be a leader and do the right thing when no one else is looking. Lunar New Year is still being celebrated all around the world. But friends, we got a chance to celebrate in our own way last Wednesday with the help of the Global Cultural Education Foundation. Let's check out some of the highlights. On Friday, our kindergartners celebrated the 100th day of school. But guess what? Everyone that I knew, including me, was super busy and we didn't get much footage. So if you have any pictures or video of that fun 100th day of school in the kindergarten area, please flag me down and share those clips because I want to put together something that celebrates all the cool things that happen on the 100th day of school.
Ramaga!
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!